state of Maharashtra, which has been a destination of choice for Indian and foreign investors. But how will the state government facilitate these investments? ET Now's Vijay Ganeshan Iyer caught up with Apurva Chandran, the industry secretary for the government of Maharashtra, and began by asking about the progress on the MOUs that were signed at the Make in India event that happened in Mumbai 4 months ago. Take a look.
During Make in India, we signed almost 2,500 MOUs, of which about the number of MOUs for manufacturing side, they were in the range of about 4 lakh crore. The others were in housing and other sectors. And I'm happy to say that of these 4 lakh crore, today I can say that almost investment worth 1 lakh crore is already moving on the ground. And this is just 3 months, 4 months.
And so quickly, if I could ask you, Amazon is looking to set up a data center in Navi Mumbai. What is the update on that? And also there's a Sterlite project, because that was also going to be one of the biggest projects when it comes to LEDs.
As you know, the chief of Amazon Web Services, they were here on the 27th, just 3 days back, and with this, and the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, the Amazon Web Services were launched in the state of Maharashtra. Today they have co-located 2 data centers in the state of Maharashtra. Earlier, Microsoft had also co-located data centers in the state of Maharashtra just a year back. But as you know, in the IT policy of the state of Maharashtra in the last year, we have provided several incentives to data centers on par with IT and ITES sector. Plus, in addition, data centers have sought some additional incentives, on which also we are going to take a decision very shortly, and we are very hopeful that we will have investments from Amazon and Microsoft in the state of Maharashtra very soon.
What would be the kind of investments that we can anticipate from Amazon and Microsoft?
It's difficult for me to say. Finally, they are going to make the investment, but I am sure it would be a very huge investment.
And my last question, sir. Just a couple of days back, Cabinet has taken the important decision of amending the Shops and Establishment Act. Maharashtra, particularly Mumbai being a financial capital, how soon do we see the state government also acting? Because at the end of the day, state governments will be crucial link for the last mile connectivity or implementation.
The central government has made amendments to the Model Shop and Establishment Act. That is not a law per se, it is a Model Shop and Establishment Act, and the states have to follow those model laws. So it is for the state government and the state cabinet and the legislature to decide whether to adopt this or in what way, in what form to adopt it.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.